How to delete ads on iPhone. To delete ads on your iPhone, you can follow these steps. Disable tracking. 1. Go to Settings, open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Privacy, tap on Privacy and then Advertising. 3. Limit ad tracking, toggle on Limit ad tracking to prevent advertisers from collecting your data. And, use a VPN app like IPVanish. Use ad blockers. 1. Install an ad blocker, download an ad blocking app from the App Store, such as AdGuard or AdBlock Plus. 2. Enable ad blocking, go to Settings Safari Content Blockers and enable the ad blocker you installed. Clear cookies and browsing data. 1. Go to Settings, open the Settings app. 2. Safari, tap on Safari and then clear history and website data to remove cookies and browsing history. Check app permissions. 1. Go to Settings, open the Settings app. 2. App permissions, review and limit app permissions to reduce data access by apps. Use private browsing mode. 1. Open Safari, launch Safari and tap the tabs button. 2. Private browsing, tap private to enable private browsing mode, which reduces tracking and ads. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce or eliminate ads on your iPhone.